Hello, how's it going? Y'all already know, gotta check on my brothers and sisters, see how y'all doing, see what y'all got going on, check the energy out for the day. We got the Four of Swords, bottom of the deck, the Six of Swords. So we got somebody that, that could be going within, going within to heal some things, going within to, gain some introspection on what's been going on here. Okay, so somebody is currently healing, okay, and they're protected. Okay, this is somebody healing season here. Okay, and you are protected while you do so, while you heal. Okay, while you're healing though, now that you have decided to heal, connect with spirit, communicate, make sure you're praying. Make sure you're praying, and then also remaining quiet so that you can hear and be directed. Okay? Somebody is nurturing their self at this time. Okay? Yeah, somebody decided. Yeah, somebody's nurturing themselves. We got sweet and sticky. So, somebody walked away, swam over the calm of water, Six of Swords down at the bottom, but at the bottom of this deck, we got walking away, leaving, okay? Somebody's ending something, okay? Somebody could be kind, loving, and compassionate, okay? Sweet and sticky like honey, but they are deciding to be kind and compassionate to their self at this moment, which is beautiful. Yeah, somebody woke up. Okay, somebody woke up and they wanted peace. Okay, they felt like they weren't getting any justice. Okay, so no justice, no peace. But somebody started to wake up and become more self-aware and see their true reality. Okay. Somebody could be a cowardly crush or something like that, could be trying to stay connected to this individual here. They're watching them. Okay, they could be scared, but they could have a crush. Okay, somebody is definitely keeping tabs on this person and their healing. Wait a minute. Okay, we got Little Durk featuring Tiana Taylor, Homebody remix. So somebody could be a homebody here. And then we got Brent Faiyaz, First World Problems, Nobody Cares here. Okay, so somebody could feel like, not a lot of people care, so they give a fuck though, and that's why they're doing this healing. So go ahead and listen to those songs. Little Durk featuring Tiana Taylor, Homebody, and Brent Faiyaz, First World Problems, Nobody Cares. Okay. Yes, we got the Four of Wands, so another four. We got 44 here, and again, things being done gracefully here. We got the Six of Swords, okay? Things being calm, okay? Let's see. Yeah, somebody broke out, okay? Somebody could have broke out of some sort of commitment here, or somebody just decided to break out, be committed, break out. They wanted freedom. Okay, we got the Fool card. Okay, they didn't care. Listen, they got their one little suitcase. They like, They hopping on the bus, okay? They said they is not getting left, okay? They could, yeah, they're discovering self. This is beautiful. We got new beginnings, free will, making those choices, okay? The bird is out the cage. The bird is out the cage. The wild card. The bird is out the cage, okay? Bottom of the deck, we got alien here. So this could be a unique person that could be, misunderstood. Could be like a mystery to them. But they are the wild card, okay? They could like art. They could be multifaceted, okay? They're very unpredictable. You don't know what they gonna do next. They done broke out. They done healed up, done broke out. Freedom. I'm hearing that Beyonce. Freedom, freedom, where are you? I need freedom too. Hey, hey. This individual wasn't playing. They was committed, okay, to getting free, okay? We have salty, okay? So, people could have been salty of this change. Now people are bitter about this bird that was once caged being free and singing. So people are annoyed, jealous, bitter, upset, salty, or whatever the case may be. But at the bottom of the deck, we got glow up, okay? So this person could be, really making some transformations, okay, within their life, okay? Even with their appearance, okay? They did the work to be better, okay? So instead of being salty, people may want to bust out a pen and a notepad. Listen. And then we have Kali usage. I want war, but I need peace, okay? So with all of these people being salty and bitter and all of these things, popping up, this person could have, wanted war. Like, what the heck? I'm just trying to, break free, do my thing, heal, but all these people want to be salty and bitter and blah, blah, blah. This person could have wanted war, but this person chose peace because they knew that they needed peace. So that's beautiful. Okay, we got some beautiful energy. Let's go. We got some beautiful things, beautiful things, beautiful things, beautiful things. We got the Knight of Swords. Knight of Pentacles here. So this person decides to go against the grain and surrender. Okay? We got at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, they slowly embrace these changes here. They accepted self. We got self-love now. We got a boost in confidence. We got kindness. We got beauty, admiration. This person could now be empowering others here. But yeah, they waved the white flag. They went against the grain for what normal people would do. People would still be, doing their thing. But this person went against the grain and decided to do what a lot of people wouldn't do. And they surrendered fully. We got the dove here. Okay? This person really wanted peace. Okay? They stepped in their faith and hope here. We have an offering here. Okay? Yeah, they waved a white flag. Or a Knight of Swords could be, a Knight of Swords, King of Pentacles could be waving a white flag as well. Okay, so yeah. Bottom of the deck. And it's just slip and fail, so I'm going to take them both for this bottom of the deck. But This person could have been like in, short-term relationships or hookups, or this person could have, we got sex positivity here, fast connections here. So this person could have had to grieve, fast connections and short-term relationships here. Okay, this person, we got Oshun, goddess. Okay, so this person is like, beautiful. This person is like a goddess. Okay, water could be very highly significant too as well here, but this person has, self-love. But these situations, uh, these situations could have did, could have did damage, and this person had to surrender, wave the white flag, and heal from those things. Okay, and or Knight of Swords. We got squad, okay? We got squad, okay? So this person even could have surrendered too with surrender certain friends and things so they could find their soul tribe. This Knight of Swords could have been a simp, or this person could have, been a nice girl, nice guy, and help people out a lot. And people try to like, call them simps and stuff like that, but no, they're just loving, lovely people that that help people and do things for people. But okay. Yeah, we got Gun a hell of a price, so they pay a hell of a price to, get here and do this healing and, break away from short-term relationships and friendships and doing things for people, friends, family, and all of that. And they went inward and focused on self. Let's do one more row since we got 444. So I'm going to do 4 rows and then we're going to go ahead and end it. Okay, we got the 4 of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles here. Okay, so yeah, this person used to be holding on to a lot here. We got the 4 of Pentacles, holding things close to the chest. Okay, but then we got the Page of Pentacles here, okay? So, or this person could be, holding things close to their chest now, protecting and trying to lay a foundation here. Lay a new foundation. But also this person could have been holding on, to things in the past. That's why they had to surrender. Thank you. Yeah, this person, yeah. We got sabotage at the bottom of the deck. This person could have been, self-sabotaging, self-destruction. So they had to cut away all of the negativity, okay? So they could heal and be okay. We have here precise. So, yeah, they had to face the truth, the harsh reality of things here, okay? We got bullseye. They got to the heart of the issues, okay? So now they're thinking more cooler. They got a clear head here, and they can see things, far sight. They got far sight here. In peace. Bullseye, okay? What I say? They got far sight now, and we got third eye, and then we got the woke card. So this person is awake here. They third eye. They could have had, the blue. They had blue activation here. Their chakras are aligned. They have a beautiful perception here. They could even have the gift of telepathy, and they use their intuition. Bottom of the deck, this person got taste, okay, flavor, okay. They're very sweet and pleasant here, okay. They pay attention to detail too as well here. So this is good. This is really good. This is really good. that's too many. Okay, let's see. Okay, somebody could have. Yeah, people thought that all of the people that this person was dealing with, friends, family, lovers, they all thought that the grass was greener elsewhere here. Okay, so they sort of like put this person on the bench and was like, you know, basically like they like this person don't matter, but this person had a lot of potential. We got yes, okay, you have the green light, okay, so this person, listen, they got the green light to do what they do, whatever they do here. People really like this individual here. They give this person a thumbs up. So that's beautiful. This person has extreme satisfaction now. Okay, we got Blondie. Call me. Call me. So this person could be feeling good. They like, oh.